What is really happening behind the scenes with BTS? Why were Jin, Suga, RM, V, and Jungkook spotted together at Incheon International Airport heading to Madrid, Spain, while one member was noticeably missing? Why wasn't Jimin traveling with the rest of the group? Is it simply a scheduling conflict? Or could there be a much bigger story unfolding that fans haven't discovered yet? And what about the reports linking Jimin to one of the most prestigious fashion events in the world? Today, we are breaking down everything we know, the fan reactions, the global buzz, and the mystery that has millions of armies asking the same question. Why is Jimin traveling separately? Stay until the end, because some details may completely change the way you see this story. The global BTS fandom is buzzing once again after reports emerged that several BTS members were seen arriving at Incheon International Airport before departing for Europe. According to information circulating among fans online, Jin, Suga, RM, V, and Jungkook were reportedly heading to Madrid, Spain, where they are expected to continue major activities that have already generated excitement across multiple continents. As expected, their airport appearance immediately attracted attention from media outlets, photographers, and thousands of fans eager for updates. But amid all the excitement, one question suddenly dominated social media. Where is Jimin? Within hours, discussions began spreading across social media platforms. Was Jimin following a different schedule? Was there another project in the works? Or was there a major surprise waiting to be revealed? As curiosity grew, new reports suggested that Jimin would be traveling separately because of commitments in Paris. And that's where things became even more interesting. Paris isn't just another destination. It is one of the world's most influential fashion capitals. Every year, the city hosts some of the most prestigious fashion events on the planet. Global celebrities, luxury brands, top designers, supermodels, and influential figures from every corner of the entertainment industry gather there. So why has Jimin's name become one of the most talked about topics in connection with Paris? The answer may not surprise long-time fans. Over the years, Jimin has become one of the most influential fashion icons in the global entertainment industry. Every outfit he wears becomes a topic of discussion. Every appearance creates headlines. And every public sighting generates millions of interactions online. This is why reports linking him to Paris immediately sparked worldwide attention. Fans began asking questions. Could there be a major fashion collaboration? Could Jimin be preparing for a special appearance? Could there be an announcement that nobody saw coming? Or is there an entirely different reason behind his separate travel schedule? The mystery only fueled even more interest. Meanwhile, attention also turned toward J-Hope. Reports indicated that J-Hope was already in Paris for activities related to another major fashion event. The possibility of multiple BTS members attending separate high-profile events in Europe added another layer of excitement to the story. Many fans began wondering, could this be part of a larger strategy? Could BTS be expanding their influence across both music and fashion simultaneously? Or are these simply individual schedules happening at the same time? Whatever the answer may be, one thing is clear. When BTS members move, the world pays attention. And when one member follows a different path from the others, curiosity reaches an entirely new level. Across Asia, Europe, North America, South America, and the Middle East, discussions about Jimin's schedule quickly gained momentum. Armies everywhere began analyzing photos, videos, airport sightings, and online updates. Some fans believe there's nothing unusual about the situation. Others are convinced that something significant is being planned behind the scenes. But perhaps the biggest reason this story has become so viral is because of Jimin himself. Without making a statement, without posting an explanation, without saying a single word, he has once again become one of the most talked about celebrities in the world. And that raises another question. How can one person generate this much attention simply through an airport appearance and a travel schedule? The answer lies in the extraordinary influence Jimin has built over the years. Whether through music, fashion, performances, or his connection with fans, every move he makes becomes a topic of global discussion. That influence has transformed ordinary moments into international headlines. And this latest airport mystery appears to be no exception. As fans continue waiting for official updates, anticipation continues to grow. Will Jimin appear in Paris? Will he reunite with the other members in Madrid? Will there be a surprise announcement? Or will the truth be completely different from what fans are expecting? For now, nobody knows for certain. Millions of people around the world are watching closely. And until the mystery is solved, the questions will continue. As the news continued spreading across social media, fans from every corner of the world started sharing their own theories. Some believed that Jimin's separate travel plans were simply related to fashion commitments. Others wondered if there was something much bigger happening behind the scenes. Could there be a surprise collaboration waiting to be announced? Could Jimin be preparing for a major solo appearance? Or could this be connected to a project that has remained completely secret until now? The questions seemed endless. What made the situation even more fascinating was the speed at which the story spread. Within hours, thousands of fan accounts were discussing the possibility of Jimin attending exclusive events in Paris. Every airport photo became a source of investigation. Every update became breaking news. And every new rumor created even more excitement. This is something unique to BTS. Very few artists in the world have the ability to generate global headlines from something as simple as an airport appearance. Yet BTS has repeatedly demonstrated that their influence extends far beyond music. For many fans, every public appearance offers clues about future projects. Every schedule change sparks curiosity. And every unexpected development becomes a worldwide conversation. Jimin's situation was no different. In fact, many armies argued that the mystery surrounding his travel plans only increased public interest. After all, people naturally become curious when information is limited. The less fans knew, the more they wanted answers. And that curiosity quickly transformed into one of the hottest topics in online fan community. There is another reason why this story gained so much attention. Jimin has spent years building a reputation that extends beyond the music industry. His influence reaches fashion, luxury brands, social media trends, and popular culture. Whenever he appears in public, millions of people notice. Whenever he wears a particular style, it often becomes a trend. Whenever he attends a major event, media outlets around the world cover it extensively. This level of influence is extremely rare. As a result, even the smallest details can become major news. That is exactly what happened here. A simple travel schedule suddenly transformed into a global discussion. Not because of controversy. Not because of scandal. But because people genuinely wanted to know what was happening. And perhaps that says more about Jimin's popularity than anything else. The mention of Paris added another layer of excitement to the story. For years, Paris has been considered one of the most important destinations in the fashion world. Luxury brands unveil their newest collections there. Celebrities from around the globe attend exclusive events. Photographers and media organizations gather to capture every important moment. For someone like Jimin, whose fashion influence has become internationally recognized, Paris feels like a natural stage. That is why many fans immediately connected the dots. Could his separate schedule be linked to fashion activities? Could there be a new campaign? A special appearance? An important partnership? At this point, nobody could say for certain. Yet the possibility alone was enough to generate enormous attention. And as more fans joined the discussion, the excitement continued to grow. Perhaps the most touching aspect of this story has been the response from ARMY. Rather than focusing solely on speculation, many fans expressed concern for the members' well-being. Traveling across continents can be exhausting. Long flights, busy schedules, media attention, and public appearances all require tremendous energy. As a result, countless messages began appearing online. Travel safely. Take care of your health. We'll support you no matter what. Have a safe flight. These messages reflected the strong connection between BTS and their fans. It is a relationship that has been built over many years. A relationship based on trust, appreciation, and mutual support. And moments like these remind everyone why BTS continues to have one of the most passionate fan communities in the world. Of course, one question continues to dominate the conversation. Could there be a major announcement on the horizon? History has shown that BTS often surprises fans when they least expect it. Whether it's a new project, a special appearance, a collaboration, or an unexpected performance, the group has repeatedly demonstrated their ability to create unforgettable moments. Because of that history, many fans believe that anything is possible. Could Jimin's separate travel plans be connected to something extraordinary? Could Europe become the setting for a major BTS moment? Or will the explanation turn out to be much simpler than everyone expects? At this stage, nobody knows. But uncertainty has only fueled anticipation. And anticipation is exactly what keeps millions of people watching closely. As Europe prepares to welcome BTS members, excitement continues building across the globe. Fans are monitoring every update. News outlets are following every development. Social media users are sharing every new piece of information they can find. And at the center of it all remains one unanswered question. Why is Jimin traveling separately? Until that question is fully answered, discussions are likely to continue. One thing, however, is absolutely certain. Whether he is attending a fashion event, preparing for a special appearance, or simply following a different schedule, Jimin has once again demonstrated his incredible global influence. Without holding a press conference, without making a statement, without saying a single word, he has managed to capture the attention of millions.